Wait, this wasn't supposed to be online yet. A real unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra has just surfaced. And this time, it's not a render, not a rumor, but what looks like an actual retail unit in a brand new blue color. And the moment the box opens, you can immediately tell Samsung has quietly refined more than we expected. Because this leak comes from Rajesh Rajput. And if you follow smartphone leaks, you already know. When something shows up like this, it usually means the launch is very close. So today, let's take a closer, live look at this unboxing leak. Everything we can spot from the design, what looks different this year, and why this might be the most polished Ultra Samsung has ever made. Because honestly, this one feels special. Right from the start, the packaging looks exactly like what you'd expect from Samsung's Ultra lineup. Minimal, clean, and premium. The box has that matte finish with subtle branding, keeping all the attention on the device inside. Samsung clearly isn't trying to be flashy here. It's all about that flagship feel. And then comes the moment everyone waits for. The lid slowly lifts. Inside, we get our first real glimpse of the Galaxy S26 Ultra in blue. Instantly, you can tell this color is going to be a fan favorite. It's not bright or playful. It's deep, elegant, and looks almost metallic depending on how the light hits it. This feels like a color designed for people who want something unique, but still professional. As the phone is lifted out of the box, the Instagram instantly focuses on the back, and the camera layout looks familiar but more refined. The lens rings appear slightly sharper and more polished, giving the whole module a cleaner and more premium look. It's still unmistakably Ultra, but there's a sense of evolution here, rather than change for the sake of change. A brand new leak video has just surfaced online showing the Galaxy S26 Ultra being unboxed and handled. And honestly, it feels like there might be nothing left for Samsung to surprise us with at the actual event. In this latest clip, we get a very clear close-up look at the camera setup. And right away, you notice how clean and refined the design looks. The lenses appear slightly more polished, with sharper rings around each sensor, giving it a more premium and industrial feel compared to last year. The layout still keeps that signature Ultra look, but the alignment and finishing look tighter, almost like Samsung focused heavily on making the camera module feel more seamless with the body. Less flashy, more professional, the kind of finish that hides fingerprints better and gives the phone a serious flagship vibe. From the video, the phone looks incredibly slim for an Ultra device, and the frame appears flat and solid, which suggests Samsung is continuing with that boxy, note-style design that power users love. Another thing you can notice is how large the main sensors look in real life. That usually hints at major camera improvements, especially in low light and zoom performance, which has always been the Ultra's biggest strength. Leaks like this are interesting because they show the phone outside of marketing renders, real lighting, real hands, real reflections, and that gives us a much better idea of what buyers will actually experience. At this point, with unboxing videos already floating around before launch, it really feels like the mystery is almost gone. But at the same time, it confirms one thing. Samsung is clearly refining rather than reinventing, focusing on polish, camera performance, and premium build. Now, the big question is, will there be any surprises left for the official reveal, or have the leaks already told the full story? Let me know what you think about the design. Content creator Sahil Karul shared several images shot on the S26 Ultra, including fruits and vegetables in a grocery store, bright yellow flowers, and even a portrait shot. These are simple, everyday scenes, but that's exactly why they matter, because they show how the camera performs in real life, not just in staged marketing shots. Months ago, a Samsung employee accidentally revealed the device name while posting a bug report on Google's Chromium issue tracker. They attached a short video showing a split-screen issue and casually referred to the phone as S26. The video didn't show much design, and it was clearly an internal test unit, but it confirmed the device long before these recent leaks started appearing. All of this suggests Samsung is focusing on refining the experience this year. Better image processing, cleaner night shots, and smoother performance, rather than flashy changes. And honestly, those are the upgrades most people actually feel in daily use. With launch just days away, these early samples are only increasing the excitement, and it feels like we're very close to seeing the full picture of what Samsung has been working on. What do you think? Are these camera improvements enough, or are you expecting something bigger? Let me know in the comments as the company drops a brand new teaser ahead of its upcoming launch event, and it highlights a feature that could become one of the biggest talking points of the new lineup. Samsung has officially confirmed that the Galaxy S26 Ultra and the rest of the Galaxy S26 series will launch on February 25th, 2026. And now, just days before the announcement, the company is giving us a closer look at a powerful new feature called privacy display. In the newly released teaser, Samsung focuses on a simple but very real problem: people peeping at your phone screen in public places. Whether you're on public transport, sitting in a cafe, or waiting in a lobby, it's common for others to catch a glimpse of what's on your display. Samsung's message is clear: your phone screen should be your business. The highlight of this teaser is what Samsung calls zero peeking mode. When this feature is turned on, the phone intelligently limits the viewing angles of the display, making it nearly impossible for people sitting beside you to see your screen content. Samsung explains that this privacy display works through a smart combination of hardware and software. The display selectively hides certain pixels in a way that keeps the screen perfectly clear when viewed directly from the front, while side angles appear dark or completely black. In the teaser demonstration, we see a scenario with three people sitting next to each other in a public setting. The person in the middle is using her Galaxy S26 device, and at first, the people beside her can easily see what's on her screen. But once she activates privacy display, the side views immediately become obscured, ensuring only she can view the content clearly. This kind of feature could be especially useful for anyone who frequently handles sensitive information, whether it's personal messages, financial details, emails, or confidential work documents. It adds an extra layer of security without needing an external screen protector or accessory. Samsung is positioning privacy display as part of its broader push towards smarter, AI-enhanced privacy features under the Galaxy AI ecosystem. The company is clearly signaling that privacy will be a major theme for this generation of devices. Alongside the teaser, Samsung is also encouraging customers to reserve early, offering a $30 credit and potential savings of up to $930 during the pre-order period, which suggests the company is confident about strong demand for the new lineup. With the official launch just around the corner, this teaser gives us a strong hint that Samsung is not only focusing on performance and cameras this year, but also on real-world usability and personal security. If this feature works as smoothly as shown, privacy display could become one of the most practical upgrades in the Galaxy S26 series,